Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger custom background on video call not working. So first you need to go to Play Store, and in the search, you need to search for Messenger. Now, check if you have any updates in this app. If there are any updates, update your Messenger app. Now, after you have done and checked your update status, you need to go to settings. Now, you just need to scroll down and go to app settings. Once you're in app settings, search for Messenger. Now, once you're in the app info of Messenger, go to permissions. Make sure that your gallery, photos and videos, or camera is allowed. The permissions are allowed. If they're not allowed, then it might be causing the problem and you might fix it this way. So the final fix for this problem is basically you uninstall your Messenger and install it again. Sometimes what happens is that a bug might restrict with some features in your apps. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next video.